A walk cycle is a series of illustrations or frames that show a character walking. The goal of a walk cycle is to create an illusion of motion by showing the character's body through different positions. Here are the basic steps to creating a walk cycle. Start by drawing the character in a static pose, with both feet of the character touching the ground, standing still with their weight evenly distributed on both feet. This is the contact pose, where the character's feet are in contact with the ground. Continue drawing the character's passing position as they bring their other foot forward to meet the first. This is the up pose, where the character's body is raised as they move their foot forward. Make sure that the character's head is higher than the contact position. Next, we draw the character taking a step forward with one foot. This is the down position, where the character's body is lowered as they move their foot forward. And lastly, we draw the up position. The foot pushes off the body and head to the highest position. Then the other leg gets thrown out to hit the ground on the next contact position. Repeat the process of moving one foot forward and then the other, creating a series of poses that shows the character walking. Be sure to pay attention to the character's weight distribution and body posture as they move. Once you have a series of poses, arrange them in a sequence to create the illusion of motion. This could be done by hand-drawn or an animation software. Remember, creating a convincing walk takes practice, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt doesn't look perfect. Keep practicing and experimenting with different poses and movements to improve your walk cycles.